Please welcome to the stage, Anthony Hernandez.
Miss Worldwide, let's celebrate.
That's all I know. All right. So thank you very much for having us. Let me introduce everyone real quick. First off, this is the lovely Miss Brianna. Would you give Brianna a big round of applause? The other gentleman, that is Ian. He's the Muscles. Would you give Mr. Muscles a big round of applause? And the best sound woman in the world, Miss Dawn. Oh, this is Grimmy. Who wants to pet him? Who wants to pet him? You want to pet him? Come here, come here. Just be very gentle. Yeah, gentle, gentle. Gentle, gentle. Ah! I'm so sorry. No, it's all in this little water bottle thing. In Spanish, it's holy water, agua bendita. That is for you, that is for you.